Welcome to Kingston IT Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to set up port forwarding on a Geo router, create custom ports. Port forwarding allows external users to access services hosted inside your local network, like web servers, CCTV, or remote desktop. On Geo routers, port forwarding is available, but only certain ports are listed by default. Geo terminates their fiber internet on their own router. If you have a commercial plan, they provide you with a static public IP. But for residential users, port forwarding is limited, and many required ports are missing in the default list. Log into your Geo router with your admin credentials. Go to Security Firewall Port Forwarding. Check if your required port is available. If not, create a custom port by going to Custom Services, Add New Service. Enter the service name, protocol, TCP/UDP, and the custom port number. Save and apply changes. Now you can add your custom port forwarding. Now go to Port Forwarding, Add New. Under the services, your custom service will be available now. This is how you can add new port forwarding with your custom service. While port forwarding gives external access, it also makes your servers directly open to the internet. This creates security risks, because hackers, attackers, or even competitors could try to break into your system. Instead, a better solution is to install a MikroTik router behind the Geo router and configure a VPN like L2TP, SSTP, or WireGuard. This way, you get secure remote access to your LAN and servers without exposing them directly. Data is your key asset in any business, and VPN keeps it safe. So that's how you can configure port forwarding on a Geo router, create custom ports, and also secure your servers with VPN on MikroTik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kingston IT Solutions for more how-to guides and IT solutions.